sihleli ke ubonge Black ityanikazi yeradio inkosazana yamazwe moya, the queen of the airwaves kwinkqubo yakho ithanda kakhulu 3 to 6 with ubonge Black. Sibulele sibambe ngazo zozibini phaa kuye ke uAvuyile kaQhinga ebesiphathele inkqubo yethu education show. Silivile ke ibali limnandi kakhulu kodwa ke phulaphuli ndidibana kwamkela apha enkqubeni ntombazana le emnyama mamqwathu udikela kanoni utswa ibali. Kanti ke namhlanje sinazo izigaxa zethu. Siqale phaa ku Big Brother. Sibonile ke izolo into yokubana abantu abaninzi bacimbe inoba mhlambe ngithandeka, kodwa ke nditshilo ndathi emva kwengoma zethu ezintathu sathi sikuphathele ke into yokubana qhubeka ntoni phaya ku Big Brother.
Kungaba FM Youth Waves.
mama khawuleza baleka kanti wena wena baleka mama khawuleza baleka Tutsuma Hatlisa Tutsuma Kasi wena boni Hawa waboni na Taba Kwanda Taba Hawaboni na Awsabuni Wagwanili Zegube nini na ukhala Ivumile ngokuthi uyakuthanda uqamba amanga Shiya lutho phuma kuye sisi wami Baleka baleka mama khawuleza baleka kanti wena bonina baleka khawuleza baleka sisi wamabuni Tutsuma Hatlisa Tutsuma kasi wena wuni sisi wami Taba Kwanda Taba Wuni Nipindile na Luizono kwakhona sizathu yini Zegube nini na ukhala sisiwo nawe eqamba manga esithu yakuthanda mntasekhaya vuka vuka baleka baleka mama
inamagama amathathu ekumele siwashe namhlanje. Trust. Oh. Inamagama amane siwathathu. Ekameni likayise nelendodana nelomoya oyingcwele. Aringasibathathe tasekhaya. Trust. Oh. Hey. Jerusalem, 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 umuzi okhanayo. Awungithanda ukubonga, awungithanda ukubonga. Ngicela ukuthatha lesikhathi lesi, awungithanda ukubonga ngoba konke engiyima, awungithanda ukubonga. Naloko siwasongezela kona ngithanda ukubonga. Ndiyakulangazelela ndakufika kuwe Jerusalema umuzi okhanayo. Bonke amakholwa kuye bophila khona phakade. Bonke amakholwa kuye phila khona phakade. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, ilizwe lesithembiso. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, umuzi okhanayo. Sithula busukukhala uJesu uzosugcobela. Sithula busukukhala uJehova uzosugcobela. Athatha isikhathi sami balindilanga labo wanginika ngokwami ngoba ngengalenza iphutha umdali wezulu lomhlaba. Athatha isikhathi sami balindilanga labo wanginika ngokwami ngoba umazi ukuthi uletheleni lomhlaba. Johlo ndiyakulangazelela ndakufika Jerusalema umuzi okhanayo. Uhlelele ntoni ungathandazi wemngani wami. Hey wena, hey wena, uhlelele ntoni ungathandazi wemngani wami. Hey wena, hey wena. Jerusalem, 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 umuzi okhanayo. Awungithanda ukubonga, ngicela ukuthatha lesikhathi lesi. Awungithanda ukubonga ngoba konke engiyima, awungithanda ukubonga. Nalaka siwasongezela kona ngithanda ukubonga. Hey! Jeza, wasanaso. Cho. Jeza. Awuphisa amathathu. Hey! Awungithanda ukubonga, awungithanda ukubonga. Ngicela ukuthatha lesikhathi lesi. Awungithanda ukubonga ngoba konke engiyiko, awungithanda ukubonga. Nalaka siwasongezela kona ngithanda ukubonga. Johlo ndiyakulangazelela ndakufika kuwe Jerusalema umuzi okhanayo. Jerusalem, 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 umuzi
ngicela ukuthatha lesikhathi
Angithanda ukubonga ngoba konke ngiyiko. Angithanda ukubonga nalanga soso zela bona ngithanda ukubonga. Shoshosi hey just empty say
Hey!
come on.
You know what? We'll have a short break, coming back now. Go and have yourself some drink and come back soon. Jaza, hey, hey, hey. Jayagula cancelena. Takufika muwe. Oh,
Jerusalem umusi okanyayo.
oh, Jerusalem.
ukanti ne-TS Galaxy bethwe ngo-6-0 bethwe kakhulu izolo kanti ke simbonile umfoka Mofokeng esitsho ngama-goal amathathu wake wayibona pho lonto leyo kodwa ke benze kahle kakhulu ibikhefuzela pha i-TS Galaxy icimba fan binoba mhlambi ingaqhubekeka kakuhle kodwa ke simbonile naye ugoalkeeper wabo into yendoda emnyama ethe ncothu uTepu simbonile into kubana noko ukhe wangathi uyazabazaba kodwa ke kufumaniseke into kubana indoda injari kodwa ibinyamezele. Alright xa sibeleka siya pha ku Big Brother wethu Mzansi uLiema wenze kakuhle kakhulu weza naye 2 meter umntana pha eqonce King Williamstown a girl uMamsukwini. Abantu abaninzi bazogcima inoba mhlambi ke ndimvotele kuba sizalana guys uLiema udlalela umdlalo wakhe abantu abaninzi becifana bamhlambi nothandeka uzawuwina ibisondela intombi enkulu ngo-29% kodwa ke umbethile uLiema ngo-33 uTrix bethuna uzamile naye kodwa ke ebepha igqibele qale kwaphuma yena ndicima fan binoba mhlambi hayi noko kanti ilizwe loMzantsi Afrika lithi ayithantsi nibonisa basenza kanjani kodwa ke mphulaphula sifuna ukuva kuwe pha ku Facebook wethu Ofimvaba FM usibambe napha ku YouTube wethu sakudlalela ingoma esithanda kakhulu sithemba into obukana nalapha ekhaya nawe uinoba uyajiva jonga kubhizi kakhulu kumnandi masikudlalele ingoma yethu kodwa ke xa sibuya sizawuva into kuba abaphulaphuli bathini na
Ofimvaba FM Youth Waves.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needing a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Where 'cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed.
Alright, simnandi kakhulu ke ngoba sibuya phaya kuyo sithemba ke into kubana nawe emphulaphula ekhaya ulonwabele nawe usuku lwanamhlanje xa sukukhapha 3 to 6 senza show into basikuphethe kamnandi kakhulu sahle nayo ityanikazi yeradio nkosazana yamazomoya the queen of the airwaves 047 inumber plate ngubonga iblack kulobo kodwa ke masibuye nayo inkqubo yethu ngomso sisiva nakuwe mphulaphula into kubana wena usimamele uphi utsho nje into kuba pha kwi comments zethu usimamele uphi na kamnandi.
Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared beneath the stars above. For a moment, all the world was right. How could I have known that you'd ever say goodbye? And now I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the day. I'd have had to miss
as I lay me
Kokungaba
down.
FM Youth Waves.
Heaven, hear me now. I'm lost without a cause. After giving it my all, winter storms have come and darkened my sun. After all that I've been through, who on earth can I turn to? I look to you. I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. Fighting left, sinking to rise no more, searching for that open door. And every road that I've taken led to my regret, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Nothing to do but lift my
Kokungaba FM Youth Waves.
It gets harder every day, but I can't seem to shake the pain. I'm trying to find the word to say, please stay. It's written all over my face that I can't function the same when you're not here. I'm calling your name and no one's there. And I hope one day you'll see nobody has it easy. I still can't believe you found somebody new, but I wish you the guess. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows how to make it work or how to ease the hurt. We've heard it all before, and everybody knows just how to make it right. I wish we gave it one more try. One more try. One more try. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows. Oh, oh, yeah. I don't care what the people say, they're probably lonely anyway. Baby, don't fill up your head with he said, she said. It seems like you just don't know. The radio's on, you're tuning me out. I'm trying to speak, you're turning me down. And I know one day you'll see nobody has it easy. I still can't believe you found somebody new, but I wish you the best, I guess. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows how to make it work or how to ease the hurt. We've heard it all before, and everybody knows just how to make it right. I wish we gave it one more try. One more try. One more try. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows. You would oh, I wish you'd understand. Just an ordinary man. We had known. Wish that we had known. Everybody knows, but nobody really knows. And I know one day you'll see nobody has it easy. I still can't believe you found somebody new. I wish you the best, I guess. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows how to make it work or how to ease the hurt. We've heard it all before, and everybody knows just how to make it right. I wish we gave it one more try. One more try. One more try. 'Cause everybody knows, but nobody really knows. Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows.
收听台湾 FM Youth Waves。